The work of utility companies impinges on all of us, responsible as they are for the very stuff of life: power, light, warmth and water. And now, of course, there's the new dimension of responsibility to our environment. So how do consumers view this literally vital industry? Nick Thatcher has been out and about taking soundings.
We are using electric only at home at the moment, other than oil. Good value when we pay the bills. It doesn't seem like it, no, because it is a high portion of what we spend, to keep ourselves comfortable at home.
You can understand with water that they have to do a lot of things here to correct the historical issues. So I can understand why one needs to sort of pay, and I think we all need to pay a part of that. But I think they need to demonstrate to us that they're actually giving us value for money, probably.
I do believe they're overpriced. I know different companies will tell you they'll supply one, for talk's sake, Scottish Gas can supply electricity cheaper. Don't understand why they can do that.
When it comes to choosing your energy provider, do their green credentials matter?
They do to a degree, yes, as long as the cost element is also valid.
Energy is more expensive, but it's more green, and we're not using gas and everything else, that's fine.
If you sign up for a green plan somewhere, but it's not actually that green, and how does the end user establish that it is from that original source that you're buying it from, or if they're just buying it wholesale from somebody else that's topping it up with non-green energy?
Sure, we'll be fine. At least solar heating, wind turbines and things like that, because from what they say, they are more green. Whether or not some folk will accept seeing the turbines in a landscape, that may offend somebody, but they're no uglier than your overhead electrical pylons.
To actually get nuclear really established in the world, they've got to spend a lot of money, which means they're going to have a lot of machinery which is going to pollute to build all these nuclear power stations. Whether by the time they've done it, it'll be too late to have saved much of the earth anyway, it's debatable.
Well, I suppose my view at the moment is that it has to be nuclear. I mean, I don't think wind power is necessarily a viable option. I mean, it's a supplement to it, but so that's probably where I sit at the moment.
Solar, I think every single house that's new built should have solar panels built into it. Wave power, all those things. We've got them all sitting here and we're not utilising them at all.